Has this been your easiest restoration, Suzanne?
No.
Long before YouTube, long before social media, Suzanne was already restoring classic cars. Back in 1994, a local newspaper described one of her Morris Minor restorations as a minor miracle. A year later, Practical Classics featured her rebuild work again. But even after decades around British classics, nothing prepared her for this. Most people, after spending years around Morris Minors, wouldn't suddenly buy a giant pickup truck from the internet, especially one they knew absolutely nothing about.
I saw it on eBay and it just captured my imagination and I just had to have it. But I could see it had potential. The paintwork was terrible. Every panel, it got so many layers of paint that it was all cracked and peeling.
And this is where the story gets interesting. Because Suzanne didn't buy a finished show truck, she bought a problem. The fuel system needed attention, the brakes needed rebuilding, the prop shaft caused problems, the differential needed work, and at times it felt like every time one issue was solved, another one appeared.
What was the problem?
The problem is this is right-hand drive and the truck was designed to be left-hand drive. So if it had been left-hand drive, it had been a nice straight linkage for the clutch. But because it's right-hand drive, it's a bit of a convoluted arrangement, which had been added to over the years. And then when the new clutch went in, it didn't work. So that had to be redesigned.
And this is what I think most people don't see with restorations. It isn't one big dramatic moment. It's hundreds of little setbacks that are solved one moment at a time.
And I took these inner wings out and welded those up and sprayed those black.
And it's fair to say you are quite a small person.
Well, I am a bit vertically challenged.
Climb up onto this, all this work, and you're not like a very tall person.
No, the number of times I hopped in and out this
that's
this
where it
engine
comes
bay.
in handy, isn't it?
That's right. I only had one windscreen wiper when it arrived, which wasn't very good. So I've managed to fit a mini wiper motor in there. And so I've now got two wipers and they're clap hand rather than tandem.
I love your dials because they're sort of a bit Art Deco-y, aren't they?
They are. They don't all work,
right?
Because some are 6 volt and it's now 12 volt. So I have got some aftermarket ones down here, temperature gauge and fuel gauge.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up.
Has this been your easiest restoration, Suzanne?
No. No, everything's difficult with this one.
What makes it so difficult with this then?
Are you doing a restoration? Then why not check out CBS Car Builder Solutions? They have a great selection of parts. All the details are in the link below. You get 10% off at your first order and it helps to support this channel.
Everything's bigger. I'm older and certain parts you can't get in the UK and you have to get them from the States, which takes time and it's expensive. I've done the front end, I've done the back end, I've got to do the bit in the middle now.
Do people ask you to move stuff? Like, do family say, can you come and move a wardrobe in your truck?
No. No, I'm not putting, no, I've put new wood in the back. I'm not putting anything in the back.
It is absolutely beautiful and well done. And I think even if you've done restorations before, it's always a school day. You're always learning because every vehicle has its own little tricks, doesn't it?
Yes, yeah. I mean, I've learned so much from doing this and I've made so many good friends and so many good contacts. And I don't regret 1 minute of it.
Suzanne has proved that a restoration isn't just about nuts and bolts. It's about heart and it's about history and the satisfaction of creating something truly fantastic. So let us know what you think of this fantastic truck. Leave your messages in the comments below. Don't forget to like and to share and make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode of Classic Car Stories. But you know what? I think Suzanne's right with the Morris Minors, because I think if you're looking for your first classic, that's a great car to go for.
Yeah, it is. Like Tina did.
Just like Tina did in this episode, where you never forget your first classic.